Ductless Air Conditioning is the anytime, any home, any room solution in Kingston, New York. Do you have an older home without ductwork? No problem. Ductless AC installs easily. Is your air conditioner more than 10 years old? Ductless AC is more efficient and will save money on utility bills. Do you have a lake home that needs cooling? Yep, ductless is the answer. And it will also provide heat in the winter. Do you use window air conditioners? Ductless does it better. Does someone in your home have allergies or asthma? Ductless delivers cool, conditioned air directly to you, so you breathe clean air that hasn't been forced through dirty ductwork. Whatever the problem, Ductless AC is the answer. Fujitsu leads the way in ductless comfort. When you think ductless, think HWS, your go-to ductless contractor serving Kingston and all of the Hudson Valley. Call 845-331-8948. You'll be glad you did.